Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of indulge. Allow oneself to enjoy the pleasure of. For example, we indulged in some hot fudge sundaes. American pronunciation. Indulge. Indulge. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Indulge. Say. Indulge. Indulge means allow oneself to enjoy. Indulge. Indulge. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. I am sure you indulge in a little pleasure now and then yourself. Now, repeat after me. I am sure you indulge in a little pleasure now and then yourself. The second practice. More importantly, food photography allows Tony to indulge in his passion for art. Now, repeat after me. More importantly, food photography allows Tony to indulge in his passion for art.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.